So now I'm going to show you how to access the Show My Homework website through the app on iPad. Now if you're using a different kind of tablet, it's a similar process once you've got into the app itself. Okay, so I'll show you how that works here. So I've just recorded on my iPad. So you click on the Satchel 1 app, and then what you do is type in the school name. Okay, the full school name, and what it's going to do is find all the schools with a similar name. We clicked Eastfield, and then what we did just there was we clicked I don't have an account yet. If you do have an account for Show My Homework and your child has made one, then you'll click log in with email and username and sign in with that. But what I clicked is log in with a PIN because I hadn't set up an account yet. So then what we do, we type in the PIN that you've been given from school. Once that's typed in, then you'll find yourself on this page. It asks you to input a password. The password has to have at least 10 characters, a number, an uppercase letter, and a special character. Okay, so now you're in to the Show My Homework, the main page. Okay, so this is going to tell us a bit about using your to-do list. So this is the to-do list here along the left-hand side of the app. Once this has disappeared, I'll show you how it works. So, if you click on Remote Learning, which is today's task, it'll tell you how to submit. This is a task from the teacher, Miss Newson and Mr. Hurst, and we have the 3 resources there that you can access that they've uploaded as part of that task. Okay, so if you click on the first one, it will take you to a home learning page. Here we are. This is the home learning page. It tells you a bit about the writing, reading, maths that the children are going to need to do, and there's a worksheet in there as well that you can access. Next, we're going to click on the middle one. This was the English home learning sheet, and there are some writing tasks there based on around pictures for your child to do at home. And finally, this is the home learning grid for the week. So on here, this is the first week, and if you scroll down, you'll see the second week. It's all organised by day. There's some maths, English, and topic, and a bit of phonics if you're in Key Stage 1, and spelling in Key Stage 2 for each day. So if you wanted to submit some work, what you would do is you click on the bar at the bottom, like we've done here, type in your message. Hi, Mr. Hurst. Here's my homework. You can say whatever you like. There we go. What we do is click the little paperclip icon next to the message, and you can choose a photo to upload. So you could take a picture with a tablet or a phone of the work your child has done and upload it that way. And then you click send, it's just like sending a text message in any other app. So that's Show My Homework. That's as simple as that. If you do have any more questions, make sure you ask the office, and they will get you in touch with me, and I'll let you know what to do next. Thanks very much. I hope that's helpful. Speak to you soon. Thanks. Bye.